If you like making tutorial videos or product review videos, then you most definitely need a screen recording software. A screen capture software will help you capture all or a portion of your computer screen in high definition, and it will allow you easily edit and add information such as text, interactive buttons, and a lot more. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my best screen recording software. Hi, I'm Winston the Solopreneur Warrior, and in this video, we are going to be looking at how to choose the best screen recording software, and at the end, I'll be walking you through the screen recording software I use most for my channel videos. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money as an affiliate beginner with the videos you upload on YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Now, the best advice I can give you when searching for the best screen recording software is always to start with clearly defined goals for what you want to use the tool for. So for example, if your goal is to create an online course, you might want to look for a screen recorder that includes a powerful video editor. On the other hand, if your goal is just to answer a customer query, for example, a basic screen recorder should do the job for you. Now, most screen recording tools will let you do basic things like recording your screen or specific areas within it. A basic screen recording software will also help you combine your webcam, your system audio, and your voice over, exporting and sharing the final output in different ways. However, a great screen recording software will go beyond these basic features and will stand out through its editing and enhancing capabilities, which can really make or break the quality of a video. Another thing you have to look out for when choosing the best screen recorder is whether the software works on Windows, Mac, or both, and if you also want it to capture your mobile screen as well. And finally, you need to take into account your budget and whether you're willing to pay for a premium screen recorder or you want a free solution. Now, since the goal of my channel was to make tutorial videos, I was quickly drawn to Screencast-O-Matic because of the following reasons. For a start, it's the most beginner-friendly screen recording solution that is available on both Windows and Mac. Plus, it also offers a separate app for iOS. Using Screencast-O-Matic is straightforward, and the tool has a very small learning curve compared to other advanced screencast tools like Camtasia. The software of course offers all the recording features that most people will need, things like the ability to capture your screen, add a webcam, as well as recording audio, plus the fact that the tool also offers decent video editing and enhancement options, so you can split or trim your videos, introduce additional designing elements like arrows, shapes, and visual effects like transitions, and the list goes on. Another thing I like about Screencast-O-Matic is that it prevents me from rambling on about a topic in my videos. You see, the software has this great script functionality where you can type in or import a script, then record your voice over using the script to prevent you from too much rambling in your channel videos. As far as I've seen online, there is no other screen recording software that has the ability to do script recordings with the ease with which Screencast-O-Matic does it. You can easily get Screencast-O-Matic for free, but I use the paid version, which is really very cheap. Just check out the pricing here. There are two paid options. I personally use the deluxe option, which gives me all the features I need for the type of videos I create on YouTube. When you click through to pay for this plan, you'll see that it costs you just under $20 for a whole year. If I log into my account, you can also see that I have a 3-year plan that costs me just $36. Now, if you scroll down here a little bit, you see all the additional features that you'll be getting for each of these plans. So with my plan here, I can easily edit my recorded videos within the tool, record my computer audio, which is what I use to record product demo clips, which I add within my videos. As you can see, I can use it to import other voiceovers I've already recorded or add music. I can also use it to draw over as I record my screen, as well as zoom in and out and much more. To install the app on Windows or Mac, just visit the download page and click on Launch Free Recorder, and the installer file will download. The file is very tiny, so it will not take you more than a minute or two to complete. Now, before you start recording with the software, you will need to select from several options, which includes recording your screen, your webcam, or both, setting a time limit for your recording, manually adjusting the size of the recorded area. You can also decide to record your voice over using your microphone or include an audio playing directly from your computer. For example, a YouTube video or a music playing in your computer while you are capturing your screen. The Preferences menu here offers further features and shortcuts, including options to pause the video mid-recording, enable and disable your webcam, and a countdown bar. Once you have selected the part of the screen to be recorded, just click the red record button and your recording will start. Now, when you finish recording, you have the following options. You can either save the video to your computer or upload it to Screencast-O-Matic for sharing. You also have the option to edit the video with the built-in editor or delete the recording completely. You can also click on these 3 lines here where it says Add more publishing options. Now, when you do that, you'll be presented with more options like uploading your videos directly to YouTube, Vimeo, or in your Dropbox if you have accounts on any of these platforms. So, there you have it. If your primary purpose is for screen recording and you don't want to have any sophisticated post editing, then I think Screen-O-Matic is best for you. If you want to create simple videos for your online tutorials or YouTube channel, Screencast-O-Matic will work great for you, especially if you are a beginner operating on a tight budget. Additionally, if you are doing scripted recording, that is short training videos that need to be kept on point, then Screencast-O-Matic may also be your best bet. I will drop the link to the free Screencast-O-Matic web-based app in the description box below this video, just for you to try it for yourself for free. If it's something that ends up working best for you for your YouTube tutorial videos, then and only then I will recommend you to get the upgraded version. And with all that, I hope this video was helpful in your search for the best screen recording software. If so, hit the like button below, share on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.